Good morning students. Today you are going to learn lesson number 15, that is communicating through letters. Okay, here you are going to learn about letters, speaking by using signs, acting, etc., but not using the language. Understand the method of communication by means of letters and the activities of the post office. Okay, in one day in summer, a day in the summer holidays, some children had gathered in Sanjay's house. This is the house of Sanjay's, to watch the cricket match on the TV. Okay, which program they are watching? Cricket match. It was a very exciting match. Rahul Dravid was batting. Rahul Dravid is also Indian player. And Harbhajan Singh was bowling. Harbhajan Singh is also Indian player. Harbhajan Singh was bowling and Rahul Dravid was batting. Dravid hit the ball. The ball crossed the boundary line. Okay. Children clapped their hands with the joy. Even you also, when you are watching TV, when the batsman's ball will cross the boundary or it went 6, then you also become happy. Little Sanjay saw the sign given by the umpire. Okay, while the batsman was batting, but he will not come to know whether the 4 or 6. Okay, to observe that one person is there behind the batsman. That is nothing but he is the umpire. Okay, he will make the sign when the ball went catch or when the ball crossed the boundary or when it is 6. The umpire will make the signs without using language. Sanjay told brother Sunil, why has the umpire raised both his hands up? See, if he is raised both the hands up, that is boundary. Sunil told, oh, the ball was hit out of the boundary line. The umpire gave this sign to indicate that it was sixer. Okay, if both the hands is raised, that is 6, means 6 runs. Sanjay told he could have said by using words. Okay. Uma told nothing can be heard in such a big and noisy ground. It is easy to show by signs. Everyone can understand. If he told by his words, no one can hear that his words because there is a lot of noise. That's why he make the sign. Lucky told, yesterday we went a hotel for dinner. I saw people using signs for asking chapati, rice, etc. It was interesting to watch. In some of the big hotel also, they will talk by sign, not word. Salman told, yes, signs are very useful in places where the language is not known, where it is very noisy and where the people are far away. And this is activity you have to do in your home. Converse with your friends by using signs without speaking. Try to convey these activities by using signs, calling or writing or singing or eating, drinking, asking, to bring things, want or don't want, up and down, here and there, drinking, etc. you have to make by signs. You use the signs and let your friends say the meaning of these signs. You have to make the acting and your friends will say meaning of that you are acting. Without talking you have to make the acting. Have you watched a cricket match or a football match? Introduce 2 signs to your friends which are used in these matches. For example, in cricket, if one hand is raised with the index finger pointed up, it means out. If both the hands are raised, that is a sixer. If only one hand is raised, that is out. No language, no place. Know the signs. There may be distance or noise. Use the signs. Ramesh told, oh, what a wonderful century by Dravid. Century means 100. Karuna told, I like Dravid very much. Sunil told, I too like Dravid. Let us write a letter to congratulate him on hitting the century. They decided to write the letter to Dravid. All children told, good idea. Karuna told, I will write the letter. Tell me what is to be written. Okay. While writing letter, there are some rules. You have to follow the rules. And what is the rules for that writing letter? Ma told, well, your handwriting is good. Whose handwriting is good? Karuna. Karuna told, friends, does anyone have a postcard? If you want to write a letter to send Dravid, then what you need? Postcard. Rita told, yes, I have. It is at home. I will bring it now. Let us write the letters during lunch break. Sunil told, Karuna, start writing the letter. I will tell what write. Okay. They wrote letters like this. In right hand side, place and date is there. In left hand side, dear brother Rahul Dravid. For whom they are writing? Rahul Dravid. We are studying in class 3. Same, your class only. We all like you. Your batting is wonderful. It is great pleasure to congratulate you on hitting a century. Okay, yours lovingly, students of 3rd class. And you have to write the address here. And Sanjay told, do you know the address of Dravid? Okay, you wrote the letter for Dravid, but you know the address of Dravid? Salman told, yes, it is with my father. I will bring it now. Karuna told, shall I write the address? And in right hand side you have to write the address. Okay, write the address here. For whom you are writing to. Okay, for whom you are writing, write the address here. And from means who wrote the letters? You wrote, no? 3rd standard students, write the address of here. Ruma told, write our address here. Okay, left hand side your address and right hand side for whom you are writing those people address. That means Rahul Dravid address. Rita told, look here, the letter is ready. How to send this letter to Dravid? But the letter is ready, and how we have to send the letters to Dravid? Sunil told, let us put the letters into post box. Karuna told, hey, how will it reach Dravid? Salman told, the post office is very near. The post box is also there. We shall go to the post office and put the letter into the post box. Then we shall ask the postman how the letters reaches Dravid. They went towards the post office making the noise. Uma told, Karuna, put the letters into the post box. Where should you have to put the letters? In the post box. Karuna told, yes, I put it. Sunil told, hey, see there, someone is taking the letters from the letter box. See, this is the post box. The person is taking the letters. He is the postman. Will you please tell me why you are taking these letters? We have written a letter to Dravid and put it into this box. If you take this, it will not reach Dravid. The postman told, don't worry, I am the postman. Okay, don't worry, I am the postman. People put letters into this box. Every day I carry these letters to the post office. Please come inside the post office and see the work going here. Okay, this is the post office. See, this is your Dravid's letter. It is going to sealed now. Okay, these letters have to be sent to Bengaluru. We send them by train. In Bengaluru, these letters will be carried out to the post office. In the post office, they are sorted out on the basis of their addresses. The postman will collect the letters related to their respective areas and distribute to the concerned houses. This is the duty of postman. Sunil told, uncle, when will it reach Dravid? Okay, today we put the letter in the post box, but when it will reach? Postman told, it will reach, it will take 3 days. Sanjay told, oh, won't it reach him tomorrow? Postman told, look there, we have speed post facility. If you give the letters there, it will be sent by an aeroplane. It costs more, but it reaches quickly. Apart from post office, some other organizations also provide speed service. Have you not heard of courier service? Rita told, oh, a few days ago, my grandmother sent me money for my birthday by post. The postman gave it to me. Postman told, oh, that is a money order, just like we send letters. We can also send money by postal service. In the same way, books and other things can also be sent. It is called parcel. Sunil told, uncle, will it reach Dravid in 3 days? Postman told, yes, children, don't worry. Karuna told, now lunch break is over. Okay, during lunch break, those students will done this much of work. Let us go to watch the match. Children ran out of the post office making noise and sat in front of the TV. Now answer this question. Why do people write letters? Because to communicate the people who are away from us. That's why the people will write the letters. Have you ever written a letter to anybody? Okay, if you have written letter to anybody, if yes, write as, otherwise no. Okay, if you written letter and for whom you wrote the letter and for what purpose you write the letter and write that year. Write a letter to your friends or a grandfather or a grandmother or a favorite person who are away from you. Visit the post office your place. Okay, in your village, if any post office is there, visit that post office and put the letter written by you into the post box. Then go inside the post office and see the work going on the post office. That one you have to do. Write about the post office that you have visited. If you have visited any post office, okay, in your areas, and write the at least 3 to 4 lines of post office. Observe the pictures that represent the sending of letters. Put correct serial numbers to these pictures and see the example given. Okay, here all are in this order. You have to match. First we will write the letter and then we will put in the post box, that is second, and then it is sealed. Sorry, first we will write the letter, then we will put in the post box, second one, and third postman will collect the letter and second you put it in the post box, then the letter is sealed and then it will go by aeroplane. Then postman will collect the letter and then it will go to the house. Okay. Make an an envelope using white paper. Write a letter to your friends and put it in the envelope that you have made. Close the envelope and stick a 5 rupee postal stamp on it and write to and from address and put it into the letter box. What will happen if the postal stamp is not affixed? Okay, if the postal stamp is not affixed, the letter will not go or not reach the person for whom you wrote the letter. You might have seen special stamps which have the pictures of famous personalities, animals and plants. Develop the hobby of collecting such special stamps and stick the collected stamps on a white sheet and write a few sentences about each of them. Okay, that is homework for you. Okay children, have you understood? Thank you.